Today, I'll walk you through how to upload a video in Snapchat, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to share your videos on Snapchat so you can connect with friends and express yourself creatively. First, let's get started by opening the Snapchat app on your device. If you're not familiar with the layout, don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the core features remain the same. Once you're on the camera screen, look for the gallery icon. This icon typically resembles a small square or rectangle and is usually located in the lower left corner of the screen. Clicking this will take you to your camera roll, a place where all your saved photos and videos are stored. Now navigate through your camera roll to find the video you want to upload. When you found it, simply click on the video. This action will bring you to a preview screen where you can see your video before sharing it. Next, you'll notice a down arrow on the right side of the screen. Click this arrow to reveal more options for modifying or editing your video. Here, you can add filters, stickers, or any other modifications available to enhance your video. Think of it like decorating a gift before you present it to someone special. Once you're satisfied with your edits, it's time to decide how you want to share your video. You can choose to add it to your story, which allows all your friends to see it for 24 hours, or you can send it directly to a Snapchat friend. This choice is completely up to you and how you want to share your moment. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to upload a video in Snapchat. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different videos and editing options. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.